Okay, this is sketch test number 2. And I'm gonna put a date on everything. That way I'll know uh, when this was done. And let's just do a quick test. So one of the easiest things to do here is a turtle. I kind of draw them as a combination of shapes, and I'm skipping all the construction part. And I just kind of mask it out and then just burrow it in. The sketch is just meant really to get the pose how I want it. Then if I like how it looks, I would go back and make it into an actual drawing. Tighten it up, make revisions, whatever changes I wanted to, add details. So this is just basically going to be my roadmap, and it's going to show me what information I want in the sketch form, where it's real easy, real quick to make sketching. And then I'll just tighten that up a little. Real quick and easy to make sketching. I'm not trying to make a finished drawing. I'm just trying to get my idea down on paper, which is probably the most important thing, because I can always change it later. Once I have the sketch, I'll go in and make another one, sometimes several, before I start working on a finished drawing. Okay. So, well, it's a little bit awkward, but let's throw the bandana in there too. The bandana is kind of nice for turtles because the bandana can help show a little bit of movement and a little bit of variety. Let's see. And for a sketch, there you go. And it will just keep getting refined and refined and refined until I start to like it. The good thing about a sketch is that it doesn't have to be finished. I don't even have to. Okay. I don't even have to really like the individual sketches because these aren't going to be finished pieces on their own. This is not the finished artwork. Let's give them a little shadow underneath. I'll just add a little dimension. That gives that furrowed brow. And then, of course, I always suggest what the character will be saying to give a little bit of space to it. Shadow. Okay. It's just a basic sketch. And it shouldn't really take long so that you can just go do more of them. You do tons and tons and tons of them. So. And I like to date and initial them, and there you go. So that's just a quick sketch test too, just to see how this camera works, and I can already recognize some issues and problems that need to be fixed up. So there you go.